Hey guys, Anthony Boatner, Keller Williams Realty. So today's question on the video is, where do sellers get the biggest bang for their buck when putting a home on the market? All right, so number one thing to start out that you can do, not necessarily in order, but the first thing to start out with is curb appeal. So I've found that typically doing a full interior paint plus an exterior paint if you find the right painter, and getting your exterior landscaping to a point where it's presentable could run you right around $3,000 on a common house. And I've found that's one of the best return on investments of time and money. To give you an analysis, to utilize Zillow, Zillow actually did an analysis of colors of homes and how that has affected what people have made. So Zillow actually found that homes that were painted a wrong color, say the color of yellow, typically sold for $3,500 less than what was expected. Now, on the upside of that, homes where just the door was painted the right color, people were seeing a $6,000 increase on what they expected on selling. A good color that I recommend is like a red if you have a light color house. So second thing is going to be upgrading your bathrooms. Now, when you're upgrading your bathrooms, there's a difference on return on investment on doing a mid-grade upgrade and then doing a full-on upgrade. So based on this report from Zillow, a mid-range bathroom remodel where the toilets, tubs, light fixtures, adding a double sink, flooring were done to a bathroom, there was a $1.71 return for every dollar that was spent. So again, that is a mid-grade upgrade to a bathroom. Now, people that did a full upscale bathroom remodel only saw an 87 cent return on every dollar spent. So people actually saw a loss on doing a full upgrade that was really expensive. So just keep that in mind. And then third thing is kind of a simple one. People think about this more so for efficiency, but people do notice on curb appeal new windows. So the third and last thing that I would recommend is getting bids for new windows if your windows are over 10, 15, 20 years old, especially homes where it's single pane, maybe considering going to double pane. So I hope these things help. If you have any questions, we actually do a free, no obligation meeting where we'll physically walk through your home with you and give you our thoughts on the best return on time and money to get your home ready for selling. So I appreciate you watching the video and have a good day.